Hello everyone, here I will explain about the simple present. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Safa Salsabila. I'm from class 64.1A.26 and my student ID number is 64240571. Next is definition. Does anyone know what the simple present tense? Simple present tense is a sentence used to express events that are happening at the present time. For example, is today, tonight, and this year. Okay, next is function. The simple present has two functions, namely general truth and habitual action. First, I will explain general truth or fact. Facts are events that really happen and can be proven to be true. For example, the sunrise from east to west. And secondly, I will explain about habitual action. Habitual action are activities that we usually do every day. For example, eat and drink. Next is the form. The first is a positive sentence. The form used for a positive sentence is subject plus verb plus object. For a positive sentence, the verb can be added s or es. The second is a negative sentence. The form used for a negative sentence is subject, don't or doesn't plus verb plus object. Don't is used for the subject I, you, they, we, while doesn't is used for the subject she, he, it. The third is an interrogative sentence. The form used for an interrogative sentence is do or does plus subject plus verb plus object and can also use don't or doesn't. Next is the use for s or es. S or es is used by the third person singular pronoun. Subject that can use s or es are she, he, it. Subject and usage. For positive sentence with she, he, it as the subject, s or es can be added to the verb. For negative sentence on the subject I, you, they, we use don't, while for the subject she, he, it use doesn't. And for interrogative sentence on the subject I, you, they, we use do, while for the subject she, he, it use does. Example for positive sentence. Number 1 is you play football. Number 2, he plays football. In example number 2, because he is the subject or use the third person singular pronoun, the s is added to the verb. Next, example for negative sentence. Number 1, we don't play football. Number 2, she doesn't play football. In example number 1, where the subject is we, don't is used, while in example number 2, the subject is she, so doesn't is used. Example for interrogative sentence. Number 1, do you play football? Number 2, does he play football? In example number 1, where the subject is you, do is used, while in example number 2, the subject is he, so does is used. Next is present simple spelling rules. Most verb texts in the third person singular. She, he, it. Number 1 is a verb ending in ss, sh, ch, x, and o. So, es must be added to be verb. For example, number 1 is ss. Mr. Arya misses his friend. Number 2, SH. My mother washes clothes. Number 3, CH. She watches movie. Number 4, X. Danny fixes car. And number 5, O. My father goes to work. Number 2 is consonant plus Y. Must be added IES. Consonants are all letters except vowels. For example is number 1, the bird fly on the sky. Then it becomes the bird flies on the sky. Number 2, she tried the new restaurant. Then it becomes she tries the new restaurant. Number 3, vowel plus Y must be added S. Vowel letters are A, I, U, E, O. For example, she plays tennis. Then it becomes she plays tennis. Next is answer the following question. Number 1, Bila blah 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 at the bathroom now. The answer is B, cries. Number 2, blah blah blah, Danny eat fish. The answer is A, does. Next, the answer. Number 1, the answer is B, cries, because cry is a consonant plus Y. So, AES is added to the verb. Number 2, the answer is A, does, because Danny is a third person singular pronoun he, and for the subject she, he, it, use does. Answer the following question. Number 3, Fanny blah 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 to the gym club. The answer is C, goes. And number 4, I blah 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 YouTube video every day. The answer is A, watch. The answer. Number 3, Fanny blah 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 to the gym club. The answer is C, goes. Because Fanny is a third person singular pronoun she, and the verb in the question and in O, it is added ES. Number 4, I blah 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 YouTube video every day. The answer is A, watch, because the subject in the question use I. No ES, AES, or S are added to the verb. Maybe that's all the simple present explanation from me. Please apologize if there are mistakes in writing and mentioning. Thank you.